Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a USPS account on a PC and register on Welcome USPS. So this is useful because having a USPS account makes it easier to use online services like tracking packages, managing deliveries, buying stamps, and accessing other mailing tools in one place. So to get started, open the official USPS website and go to the account registration page. And when the sign up page opens, the first thing the user needs to do is to choose the type of account. So for regular use, select personal account, then click continue. After that, the user will begin the account setup. The first section is where the user chooses a language preference and creates a username. So USPS shows language options and asks for a username that will be used for the account. So just enter the preferred language and pick an available username. Next is the security section. So in here, the user needs to create a password, then type it again to confirm it. USPS also asks the user to choose and answer two security questions. So these questions help with account recovery later. So it is important to enter answers that can be remembered easily. So USPS says the password must meet the rules shown on the page, including uppercase and lowercase letters and at least one number. After the security part, the next section is the personal information or the contact information section. So this is where the user enters details like name, email address, and phone number. The page may also ask the user if they want to receive communications from USPS or USPS partners. So just fill in the required information carefully and make sure the email address is typed correctly. So once that is done, the user will move to the home address section. So in this part, the user enters the address details and confirms the correct delivery address. USPS may also ask the user to validate the address before moving on. So if any address suggestions appear, simply choose the correct one and then continue. After reviewing everything, the users can complete the registration. But in some cases, USPS may ask for email verification, so it is a good idea to check the inbox after signing up and follow any extra steps if needed. And that is how to create a USPS account on a PC using Welcome USPS, and just follow each section in order, enter the correct information, and complete the setup on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you on the next video.